West Indies cricketers are still searching for their first win of this ongoing by Australia after losing the Test Series 3-0 and surrendering the first T20 as well for a combined record of 4 games played, 4 defeats with 4 T20s to go. Right now, panic must be setting in as a pattern of competing for parts of the game and then withering away like leaves continue. As they did in the first T20, it was more like falling away at the end of the batting innings. So despite the bouts of nostalgic, exciting moments against the Australians, there is no actually a clear and present danger of a complete whitewash across Tests and T20s if the Windies don't get a win as soon as possible. Now, can you imagine an 8-love all-format whitewash? That would really set the cats amongst the pigeons. The pigeon that dance.
T20.